Welcome to today's blog and video on effective growth strategies for cleaning services. And what we're going to talk about today is comparing linear and cumulative marketing strategies and how that it can impact your growth. My name is Shane Dubell. Our company is methodcleanbiz.com. We're a marketing agency for cleaning services. And our special offer right now is sign up for 3 months and get a 12-page custom marketing plan. So today we are going to go over what's the difference between a linear marketing strategy and a cumulative one. So this is a pretty simple concept. Linear marketing is a direct line. And this is mostly what cleaning services think about when they think about marketing. They think about one campaign. And then you have the cumulative approach is, well, what if you have 5 or 6 or 10 different tactics all going on at once? Well, you want them all to work together like a team, like a spider web. So that's the difference, is the linear approach, cumulative, and what's the difference? Linear, this is something that we all understand, a direct mail campaign, a text blasting campaign, a Facebook ad, and you run the one ad and then you double back every month to see what your return on investment is. And this is the question every single cleaning service that I ever speak with asks about is, well, what's the return on investment on this campaign or that campaign? What's better, Facebook or LinkedIn, et cetera, et cetera? That's the linear approach. And then you have the cumulative approach that on the other hand, instead of thinking about one thing, what we're thinking about is how all of these tactics work together as a team. And this is just hypothetical. I just made up these percentages. Everybody's going to have a different percentage based on your audience, your budget, your what you're good at personally. That can all change this mix. But the point is to have 8, 5, 10 different tactics and getting them all to work together as a team, and don't just look at one specific tactic, because that's often the mistake that a cleaning service will make, is just focusing on that one tactic and not thinking about how all the tactics work together. So we're going to go over a couple simple examples. A text message blitz. This is very common nowadays on the residential side, is doing a text blitz, and that's good. You do want to do it, and it's very effective. Everybody looks at their phone. It goes directly to them. I wouldn't do a cold text. That is very bad nowadays. You're going to get marked as spam, ruin your phone number, ruin your reputation. And then there's the cumulative approach. And a lot of times with the cumulative, you are mixing in branded content. So YouTube would be a perfect example of plugging something into a bigger picture, because you might not get a lot of direct sales from YouTube because most of it's going to be branded content. But what happens is then people see you in Google search, they see your video, and then you text them, and maybe they saw your video, or you text them the video. That could be another way to do it. And it's your vans, your uniforms, all these things work together. So that's the point. That's the approach. The best case scenario is always to blend these two approaches together. That yes, we want to, when you do a direct mail campaign or a phone campaign, a cold calling campaign, a text blast, we do want to watch what the results are. There's no question about that. And we do want to compare them against each other to some extent. But at the same time, it's far more important to be thinking about building your brand up and your long-term marketing goals. That's that's where people get tripped up more than anything, is the big picture, the concept, that in mixing these different strategies together instead of always thinking about comparing them. Because whenever I talk to people, that's like the number one question, that, which of these tactics is best? And that yes, you do want to compare them. So it's not a wrong question, but what's more important is getting all these things together. And that was just a quick blog and video on effective growth strategies and the difference between linear and cumulative. My name is Shane Dubell. Our company is methodcleanbiz.com. We're a marketing agency for cleaning services. And I hope you visit our website and sign up for 3 months, and we will put together a 12-page custom marketing plan for you implementing these strategies.